welcome to the Real Estate Peacock channel, where I teach you everything you need to know about wholesaling real estate. In today's video, we're talking about the market. Where is the market now? And guys, it's definitely changing. Gone are the days when we could just do the 70% rule across most markets, right? The 70% of ARV minus repairs. Buyers are no longer buying at that price point in most major markets. So let's break down exactly what buyers are buying at in most markets, and let me tell you exactly how I came to this conclusion. But first, you already know you have to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any video moving forward. So let's break down how I came to this conclusion. I'm in 5 different markets virtually. About 3 to 4 months ago, I noticed that I was starting to get outbid on a lot of my offers. And it's not uncommon for this to happen in maybe one market. I'll make that adjustment and then I'll be right on track. But for it to happen in all 5 of my markets raised a real red flag for me. So that was the first red flag that kind of raised awareness to me that maybe something's going on. The second red flag, one thing I love to do is I love to scour the real estate investors Facebook groups, right? The actual markets that I'm in. I just want to see what other wholesalers are putting deals out at. Now I know most of those deals aren't really deals, but you are competing against those wholesalers that are locking up those contracts and blasting those deals out on Facebook, right? And then I also started to notice that underneath the actual post, there were buyers saying that they would take it at crazy amounts. Second red flag, right? So after those 2 red flags, now the third and final analysis I have to do is talk to actual buyers. I went and talked to buyers in every one of my markets just to reaffirm what they were buying at. And here's the ultimate conclusion of what buyers are currently buying at in the 3 different types of markets. In major metros, we're talking to Dallas, Texas, Houston, Nashville, Vegas. Buyers are currently buying at 78 to 80% of ARV minus repairs. In the tertiary markets, those are the markets 30 to 45 minutes outside of the major metros, buyers are currently buying at 75% of ARV minus repairs. And yes, in your rural areas, you can still get 70% of ARV minus repairs, but obviously it all depends on the location. Now, this is just a general analysis of what I'm seeing across the markets. I obviously don't work in every market, right? I'm in 5 different markets, but my 5 markets cover those 3 types of markets. At the end of the day, as a wholesaler, it is your job to confirm what your buyers are currently buying at. If the market shifts, which they always do, right, and you don't make those necessary adjustments, you're either going to get outbid or you're going to offer too much. So I encourage you today to reach out to your buyers. Go on that local real estate investors Facebook group and ask everybody, hey, what are you guys currently buying at? That will make you more proficient as far as your offers so you don't get left behind. Guys, thank you so much for spending time with me again in another great video, and I'll see you in the next video.